Hello my dear students, I am fine and I hope that all of you are fine. Dear students, I also hope that all of you are studying properly. As you are sending me homework, it is very good to see that many of you are studying in online mode. So today I am going to teach you multiplication by 3-digit numbers. Dear students, you are studying multiplication from your previous classes. As you multiply a number by 1-digit number, a number by 2-digit number, and so on. In the same way, we multiply a given number by 3-digit numbers. I am going to solve one multiplication to make you understand. So, please see the solution of one of the multiplication. Here, I am taking an example. Let the number be, or instruction here I am writing, multiply 2342 by 125. So as you are seeing, we have this number and we are going to multiply this number by 125. This is a 3-digit number. So I have written here multiplication by 3-digit number. So here we have 3-digit numbers and we will multiply this number by this. I know many of you know how to multiply it. Even then you see I am telling here. So we will write these two numbers in this way. 2342 multiplied by 125. Now we will multiply this number by each digit of this number separately and we write below. In multiplication, this number is called multiplicand. It is called multiplicand. Okay, and the number by which we are multiplying is called multiplier. Means this number will become multiplier. Okay, and the result of the multiplication we get is called product. So still I have not got result, so I have not taken product. You look at here the multiplication. So in very first we will multiply by this number to 5. So start multiplication. 2 5 10. Here will be 0, carry 1. 4 5 20 plus 1. 21, we write 1 here, carry 2. 3 5 15, 15 plus 2, 17. So we write 7 here, carry 1. And 2 5 10 plus 1, 11. It means when we multiplied 2342 by 5, our product is here 11,710. Means this is the product of 2342 into 5. Now we will multiply with the next digit, that is by 2. Here, as you know, when we multiply by the next digit, we leave one place. Do you know why? Because it is 1's digit number and it is 10's digit number. So when we multiply a number by a 10's digit number, we write below it. Means 10 digits we write from here. Is it clear? Now we will leave this. You generally cross it here or you leave the place. Then 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6, and again 2 to the 4. This is the product of 2342 into 2. Okay, and here I have crossed. I have not put 0 because you know we are multiplying by 10's place digit. So we start to write from 10's place digit. Now we are going to multiply by 1. That is 1 is at 100 place. At 100's place, so we will leave 2 places here. 1's, 10's, and the product we write from 100's place digit. So 2 1 ja 2, 4 1 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, and 2 1 ja 2. Now this is the product of 2342 by 1. Then we add vertically like this to get the required product. So in 0 nothing is here, so we simply write 0. 1 plus 4, and here is nothing, so 1 plus 4 we write 5. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 7 here, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 2, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6. 2 plus 4, 6, and plus 3, 9. And here it will be 2. So this is the required number and it is called result. It is product. It is the product. Okay. It means when we multiply 2342 by 125, we got product 2,92,750. Okay. Here, remember this, the number, this one, the first number is called multiplicand. The number by which we are multiplying is called multiplier, and the product that we get, that is the result of this multiplication, is called product. So you always remember this one. I hope you understood, and you also used to do in this way. Okay. Now one more question I am going to solve for you. As it is a product by 3-digit number, in the same way you multiply by 4-digit or 2-digit or 5 or any digit number. Okay, in the same way you have to multiply. One more question I am solving for you. Look at here. Let it be one number, and here I am writing the second number question. Multiply 4, 5, 6, 8 by 65. 4 5 means 4568 by 65. So this multiplication I am writing by erasing these ones. In the same way we write this one also, 4568 multiplied by 65. Suppose we have two digit number, then how to multiply? One digit I saw, one digit is 4 digit in the same way. Just look at here. We again multiply 4568 to 5. So when we multiply 8 5 40, 0, carry 4, 6 5 30, 30 plus 4, 34, 4, carry 3, 5 5 25, 25 plus 3, 28, 8 here, carry 2, and 4 5 20 plus 2, 22. Okay, now we will multiply 4568 by 6. So as it happens, we start right from here. 8 6 48, 8 carry 4, 6 6 36, 36 plus 4, 40, 0 carry 4, 5 6 30, 30 plus 4, 34, 4 here, carry 3, and 6 for 24 plus 3, 27. Now we will add these ones to get the product. So 0 simply will come here, 4 plus 8, 12, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 7, 9, and 2 will be here. So this is the required product of 2-digit number. Now one more thing I want to tell you. It is very much important to come to know the verification of product. I hope in your previous classes you have read verification of division. Try to understand how to verify the product. Means I am writing verification just to try to learn it. As we have number 2342 and we have multiplied to 125. Whether the product we have got is correct or not, we can verify it. Okay, try to learn how will we verify the multiplication of any number. First of all, you will put this kind of sign, that is cross sign. Okay, the first step is put this sign. Now you add each digit of the multiplicand. This is our multiplicand. You add each digit together, and by doing so you have to bring it in one digit. For example, if I am going to add this one, look at here, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. Each digit of multiplicand I am adding here. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 is the sum of the digits of multiplicand. But again it is a 2-digit number. And I have told we have to add and we have to bring it in one digit. So as we have got 11, we will add digits of 11 together. Means 1 plus 1. It came 2. Did you understand? Once more time. We will add digits of multiplicand, and we are having digits 2, 3, 4, 2. So we will write 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. And after adding, we got some 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. So once again we add digits of 11 to get 1 digit. Means 1 plus 1, 2. And these 2 will be written here. Now, we will add the digits of multiplier. And in this case, our multiplier is 125. So, you look at here, 1 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 plus 5. So, when we add these ones, we get 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 8. It is already a 1-digit number. So, this 8 we write at this place. In the first step, we will add the digits of the multiplicand. We write here. In the second place, we add the digits of this one and we will write here. After this, we will multiply these 2 digits together. What is the multiplication? 8 to the 16. We got here 16. Again, we have 2 digits. So, we will add digits of this number 1 plus 6, 7. And this one we will write to the left side here. Now, the last step. We have to add all the digits of the product. And we have to bring in 1 digit. And if the sum of the digits of the product will be equal to this digit, not this one or this one, only this digit, then we can say that the product that we have got is correct. So now I am going to add the digits of the product. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, and 20 plus 5, 25, and 25 plus 0, 25. Means in this case, we will once we more you see here, 2 plus 9, 20, 11 plus 2, 13 plus 7, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 0, 25. Means we got sum 25. It is a 2-digit number. So once again we will add these digits together. So 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 it will be 7. So here we write 7. We are seeing here this side digit is equal to this side digit. It means our product is correct. It is very easy to verify the product. You look at this side also. I am going to verify whether the product we have got this one is correct or not. Okay. What they tell? In the first case, we will add the digits of multiplicand. So once again here I am drawing this cross line. Then we will add digits of this multiplicand. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 8, 23. In 23 we have 2 digits, 2 and 3. The sum of this one, 23 coming. So 2 plus 3 will be 5. We will put here 5. Now we will add digits of multiplier. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. We will add digits of 11. So 1 plus 1, 2. Here we will write 2. Now 5 to the 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. So we will add digits of 10. 1 and 0. So sum will be 1 plus 0, 1. We write on the left side. Now we will add these digits together. If we will get this side also 1, it means our product will be correct. 2 plus 9, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 9, 17 plus 9, 26 plus 2, 28. We got sum here 28. Again we add these two digits together. So 2 plus 8, 10. Again we add 1 plus 0, 1. It means 1 is coming here. So we can easily say that our product is correct. I hope you understood how to check the multiplication once we multiply. So dear students, on behalf of this discussion, you have to do questions of exercise 6.2. So you have your homework here. Exercise 6.2. You have to only multiply. You can check in rough whether your multiplication is true or not. You have not to verify here. Okay. So you will only do the multiplication of the numbers which is given. You, for your satisfaction, you can verify it in the rough. The product you have got is correct or not. So thank you students for this class. Bye bye.